Hey there, video editing enthusiasts. Are you looking to expand your client base and find exciting new projects to work on? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you the best Discord servers where you can connect with potential clients and showcase your editing skills. The first step is to join Discord servers where content creators hang out. These creators are constantly in need of talented editors to help bring their visions to life. Look for servers dedicated to specific content niche like gaming, vlogging, or educational content. The more targeted the community, the better your chances of finding clients who need your expertise. Now let's move on to the first best Discord server where you can find video editing clients. First on our list is the International Community of Cultivated Music. In this server, you'll find diverse people whom are highly devoted to cultivated music. This can be a great opportunity for you to find clients who are just starting up in the music industry. And as you can see in here, it's extremely impossible to send a chat on this channel, not unless you already have verified your number and agree with the rules written on this pop-up. Once you have verified your mobile number and agreed with the terms or the rules of the server, you can now send chats to the server. It's important to accomplish the task below get started on the server guide to be able to easily get along with the other members of the server. This will allow you to expand your network. As you can see in here, there are a lot of channels under this server that you can explore and communicate with other users. An example of this would be the art channel. In here, you can find a wide variety of amateur artists, the literature channel, and more channels that you can explore and use to get along with the other members and find potential clients. Now let's move on to the next server, the Ladies Lobby server. This Discord server is exclusive only for women ages 18 and above. Males cannot join this server as this server requires verification of gender. Once you join this server, you'll get redirected to the welcome channel, and here you'll be able to find the new members of the server. Below this, you'll find the rules channel. In this channel, you'll find the rules that the members should follow on this server. Below it, you'll find the verify channel. So in here, you'll find the steps on how you can verify your gender in this server. This is a great way to connect with clients since the gender is already specified for this channel. It's easier to find clients that you can cater. As you can see in here, there are channels in this server, but most of the things that you can find will be voice chat. This makes it easier to get along with the other members of the server and eventually find potential clients later on. Now let's move on to the last Discord server, the Void Egg Edition server. The Void server is a fun and welcoming Nintendo community made to be a place where people can have fun and talk about whatever they want, share their creativity, and make new friends while doing so. Once you join the server, you'll get redirected to the members channel. Above it, you'll find the rules and verify channel where you can verify your account to be able to chat on this server. To verify your account, you just need to agree to the rules mentioned. Just scroll down on the rules and check the checkbox. Now once you have checked it, just click on the submit button, and now you'll be able to send a message to the server and communicate with the other members of the server. And that's the best of 3 Discord servers where you can find video editing clients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.